Hi, my name is Judith Gomez.
Hi, my name is Ala Slay.
The CAPS Building Decarbonization project isn't just about reducing carbon emissions.
My name is Catherine Guillen. Riley Silva.
It's all about empowering the students and shaping the future of sustainable infrastructure.
As part of this initiative, we conducted ASHRAE Level 1 and Level 3 energy audits, assessing the energy consumption of our school buildings. As interns, we identified and replaced heating, ventilation, air conditioning units, as well as upgraded lighting fixtures to significantly reduce our energy consumption. This type of hands-on experience is something that professionals get way later in their careers.
Before this program, I didn't realize how much energy a building uses, but now I know all the different ways that we can improve efficiency.
Through hands-on learning, students at PUSD have engaged in real-world problem-solving, installing sensors, optimizing energy systems, and learning about renewable energy.
I never thought that adjusting a thermostat would be part of saving the planet, but here we are.
With support from CAPS, students have become leaders in sustainability, proving that education and innovation can go hand in hand.
The future of sustainable buildings isn't just about technology, it's about the people that are leading the way. And these students, they're making it happen. Join us in creating the next climate leaders.